No, I am a breast cancer survivor.
I'll rise from the pain like the morning sun, stronger than the night.
Hi everyone and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about something incredibly important. Breast cancer. And as you know, I am a breast cancer survivor. It's a disease that affects so many women and some men worldwide. Early detection is crucial. That's why regular self-exams and mammograms are so important. Know your body and don't be afraid to talk to your doctor about any changes that you notice. There are risk factors, while some we cannot control, like genetics and lifestyle choices plays a big role, like major. So like maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, and limiting alcohol can help reduce your risk. But never forget that there is hope. Breast cancer research is constantly advancing and treatments are becoming more and more effective. So if you are someone you know is facing a diagnosis, remember that there's support available. Let's spread awareness and support those affected by breast cancer. Remember, early detection saves lives. Thanks for watching.
I'll rise from the pain.